this is Toddler Lesson Plan 3, number 1 through 5. This next one is Hello Time. Hello, hello, it's time to come and play. Hello, hello, let's have some fun today. Let's clap our hands, wiggle our toes, shake our bottoms.
Get your fingers ready.
Dickey birds behind your back. Woo!
Two little dickey birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter and one named Paul.
Get them to fly away.
Fly away, Peter, and fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Two little dickey birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter and one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, and fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul.
Yay! This next one's Roly Poly. Let's get out our little Roly Poly and dance with them. Here we go. Roly Poly, Roly Poly, up, up, up. Roly Poly, Roly Poly, down, down, down. Roly Poly, Roly Poly, out, out, out. Roly Poly, Roly Poly, in, in. Again. Roly Poly, Roly Poly, up, up, up. Roly Poly, Roly Poly, down, down, down. Roly Poly, Roly Poly, out, out, out. Roly Poly, Roly Poly, in. Ballerina. All right, this next one is See with Your Eyes. Here we go.
Look directly into your child's eyes.
Here we go.
You see with your eyes, touch